Hi, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Click the bell button also so that you never miss any update from me. Also, do not forget to like, comment and share with your friends. Namaskar, namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel Bewidshree and I'm SHYAMASREE. So a few days ago I went for a vacation in Prague and I thought to give my nails some makeover for this vacation. And in my language class in Sweden I have made some awesome friends. So one of them is a very good nail artist and she did my nails as you can see in the picture. So me and another friend of mine, we went to Anya's house and I did my nails there and we really had very good time together. So here's a very small vlog I have recorded for you all. So enjoy!
Say hello, Anya. Move your head, Angela. Move your head. Like my uncles, you know what's that?
It was a really very beautiful day outside. It was bright and sunny, just a perfect weather. So after like 18 minutes we reached Anya's place and yeah, you can see the sky, clear blue sky. So this is Anya's house and see the beautiful place around and just see what an amazing food arrangement she made for us. This is a plus point, you know, when you go to your friend's house and do the nails. Oh, I'm truly blessed. Thank you, Anya, and I will always come to you.
Mom!
Okay, so it's time to go home after doing my nails from this beautiful angel.
Angela,
Thank you, Anya. Thank you, Anya.
welcome. Добро пожаловать.
Angela, come. Oh, you don't need to fix your hair.
Hey,
Say hey, though.
Руку маши. Говори bye. Воздушный поцелуй.
Push, push. Push,
Давай
push.
воздушный поцелуй.
So that's it for today. It was a special day in my life with my very special friends and I thought of sharing it with you guys. So I will see you next Tuesday with another video. Till then, stay happy, stay well and do not forget the 3 L's of my life. Live and let live, love and share the love and laugh make others laugh. Bye and take care and yes, watch me eating a strawberry. Ta-da!